Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
JavaScript Course Lecture 7. In this lecture, we will learn about ES6 Plus features. Introduction to ECMAScript 6 ES6 Plus arrow functions and template literal slit and const keywords. Destructuring assignment medulla skin. Introduction to ECMAScript 6 ES6 Plus. Welcome to the world of ECMAScript 6 ES6 Plus, the latest version of JavaScript that has revolutionized the way we write code. ES6 introduces a plethora of new features and enhancements that make coding more efficient, readable, and enjoyable, from arrow functions and template literals to let, and const keywords and destructuring assignment. ES6 offers a range of tools that simplify complex tasks and streamline your workflow. Arrow functions and template literals. Arrow functions are a new way to write concise functions in ES6 Plus. They are especially useful for writing small, anonymous functions that are used as callbacks or event handlers. Arrow functions have a more compact syntax compared to regular functions and also bind the this keyword lexically, making it easier to access variables from the outer scope. Template literals are another new feature in ES6 Plus. They allow us to embed expressions inside string literals using backticks. This is useful when we need to interpolate values into strings, or write multi-line strings without concatenation, for example. Instead of writing hello plus name plus, we can write hello $name. This makes our code more readable and maintainable. Let and const keywords. The let and const keywords were introduced in ECMAScript 6 as alternatives to the traditional var keyword. The main difference between let and const is that let allows for variable reassignment, while const does not. This makes const useful for declaring constants that should not be changed throughout the program. Another benefit of using let and const is that they have block scope, meaning they are only accessible within the block they are declared in. This can help prevent naming collisions and improve code readability. Destructuring assignment. Destructuring assignment is a feature in ES6 that allows you to extract values from arrays or objects and assign them to variables. This can make your code more concise and readable. For example, if you have an object with properties name and age, you can use destructuring assignment to extract those values into separate variables. Const name, age equals person. This saves you from having to access each property individually using dot notation. Modules. Modules in ECMAScript 6 provide a way to organize code into separate, reusable pieces. They allow developers to break up large projects into smaller, more manageable files. One of the key features of modules is the ability to use import and export statements to control which parts of a module are accessible from other modules. This can help prevent naming conflicts and makes it easier to maintain code. Conclusion and conclusion. ECMAScript 6 ES6 Plus offers a range of new features and improvements that can greatly enhance your coding experience. We covered some of the key features, including arrow functions, template literals, let and const keywords, destructuring assignment, and modules. By implementing these features in your code, you can write cleaner, more efficient, and more maintainable code. Additionally, ES6 is becoming increasingly popular in the industry, so learning it can be a valuable asset for your career. We encourage you to continue exploring ECMAScript 6 and its capabilities. There are plenty of resources available online, including documentation, tutorials, and forums. Some great places to start include the Mozilla Developer Network, the ES6 Features website, and the ECMAScript 6 compatibility table on kangax.github.io. Happy coding!
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.